Most beautiful places in Bahamas. First up, the Exumas. Crystal clear waters and stunning sandbars make it look like a dream. Next, Pink Sands Beach on Harbor Island. Here the sand is actually pink. Then there's Dean's Blue Hole on Long Island. The world's second deepest blue hole, it's a diver's paradise. And the Thunderball Grotto. This underwater cave system is perfect for snorkeling adventures. And lastly, the Glass Window Bridge in Eleuthera. It's where the dark blue Atlantic Ocean meets the turquoise Caribbean Sea.